The topic given for me for concept video of Python programming is inheritance and multiple inheritance. Inheritance and multiple inheritance. And why inheritance? Inheritance allows us to structure code appropriately. We can build code that matches naturally inheritance with different behavior at each level. It also allows us to pick up code without effort. By inheriting, we gain all the codes from the parent class individual. Each level inherits the code above it. Animals move, eat, sleep, reproduce. Human work, play, academic, teach, and paperwork. Inheritance. There are two areas to get our heads around with inheritance. The first is the development side, and the second one is used. How do we use inheritance? Python inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Parent class and child class. Parent class is a class being inherited from, also called base class. Child class is the class that inherits from another class, also called divert class. Inheritance is an important aspect of the object-oriented paradigm. Inheritance provides both visibility to the program because we can use an existing class to create a new class instead of creating it from scratch. In inheritance, the child class acquires the properties and can access all the data members and functions defined in the parent class. A child class can also provide its specific implementation to the function of the parent class. In this section of the tutorials, we will discuss inheritance in detail. In Python, a divert class can inherit base class by just mentioning the base in the bracket after the divert class. Consider the following syntax to inherit a base class into the divert class. When we come to multiple inheritance, class divert class name base 1, base 2, base 3. There is nothing to stop you inheriting from multiple class. This may not always work in practice, but what does it mean to be both a menu and a button? For example, variables and methods are searched for broadly depth first, left to right, so base 1 is searched and all the bases class, then etc. When we come for multiple inheritance, in the previous one we learned about multiple inheritance, and previous one we learned about inheritance. Multiple inheritance is a feature where a class can derive attributes and methods for more than one base class. Hence, it creates a high level of complexity and ambiguity, and known as the diamond problem in technical world. We will be able to taking up this problem later. When we come for multiple inheritance, a general prescription of multiple inheritance is that it is either dangerous or bad. Also, we will find the multiple inheritance. Java doesn't allow multiple inheritance, while C++ have it. However, Python lays down a mature and well-designed approach to address a multiple inheritance. Inheritance is a feature where a class can derive attributes and methods from the more than one base class. Hence, it creates a high level of complexity and ambiguity, and known as the diamond problem in the technical well-being. Then, there is nothing to stop you inheriting from multiple class, though this may not allow work in practice. What does it mean to both menu and a button in practice? What does it mean to be both menu and a button? For example, variables and the methods are searched in the multiple inheritance of the Python. Inheritance is a mechanism to achieve the reusability of a code as